is like house of cards. Very difficult to build. It takes in precision, it takes in confidence, it takes in years of practice, and it takes in complete focus of yours. But equally easy to break. Just touch it and it breaks. As simple as it is. Trust is like that glass which is very difficult to hold because it's very fragile. It gets broken by just a touch or maybe a simple strong hit and it gets broken. That is what trust is. Some people have the mastery in building trust with others, whereas few take years and months and ages to build trust for themselves. And there is a very simple theory behind it. Hello all, this is Sonu Singh. Welcome to my broadcast and this is episode 7. I am going to talk about a very, very interesting topic which is called trust. Now, trust is never built in a day. You nearly have to actually put in a lot of effort to build trust within some people. Whereas for few, it might be just a cakewalk. And why is it so? Why trust और विश्वास, जिसे हम विश्वास कहते हैं, आपने अगर कभी लाइफ में ये सुना है कि उस बंदे पे विश्वास मत करना या don't trust that person, he is not at all trustworthy. Why? Because either in his life he has failed in any one of the 3 pillars of trust building. So what are these pillars? The first pillar, deliver what you have promised. If you have ever broken this promise of not delivering your commitment, if you are not committed to what you say, if you are not doing what you say, if you are not walking the talk, people will not trust you. Second, your intentions. If your intentions are not correct, if your intentions are to just make people bow down in front of you, then nobody will trust you. Your interest or intention have to be genuine. You have to show genuine interest in the people that you're working for or working with. Once people see that you don't have any hidden interest while talking to them or speaking to them or being with them, they will start trusting you. And third, always look the part. When you are talking about any kind of thing that you are a very influential person, you are an entrepreneur, you can do whatever it takes to do to help people, better look the part and do the part. So once you start looking and doing the part, that is forming an everlasting first impression, people will definitely start trusting you. So always follow this 3 mantra in your life of delivering what you promise, of having very clear intention or interest with the people you work, and always looking the part and creating an effective first impression. Trust will definitely be built in you also. I hope this would help you in building trust, and in very simple language I can just say, just be the original you. Be the authentic you that you want to show to the world. Don't fake it. Thank you so much. This is Sonu Singh, your image consultant, behavioral skills trainer, conference partner and an enthusiast public speaker, signing off for the day, and I will see you tomorrow again with the next topic. Till then, stay motivated.